Hey guys, welcome to Login Helps. Today I'll be showing you how to turn off the notifications of your Temu app. And now let's dive right in. Now to turn off the notifications from your Temu app, first open up your Temu app on your phone. And after opening the Temu app, at the bottom of the screen you can see the home categories, you and the cart with the free shipping. In order to turn off the notifications, guys, first tap on the you section or the you button of your Temu app, as I've already tapped on it. And after that you'll be directed to this page, and in order to turn off your notifications, scroll down and there is the settings button available for us, guys. Tap on that settings. And over here you can see the notifications option available just above the privacy. Tap on notifications. And over here, guys, you can see all of the notifications by the Temu app to your accounts. You can turn off promotions, order updates, chat messages, your recommendations, customer activities, notifications. To do that, you can see the edit button at the right side of each option available. Tap on that edit button first. And over here, guys, you can see the push frequency is normal. You can slide it to none, and you can see there is the SMS frequency has been turned off the moment we had put it the push frequency to normal. And you can see the SMS, you can turn it on or off, and the email frequency also, if you want your email or the mail from the Temu as promotion to be sent to your account. And with that being said, just slide it to turn it off, and you can see can go back and do that for every notification you don't want to receive from the Temu app. And after doing all of these, you can see it's turned off. And from all of these buttons which is edit, you can go into the settings and turn it off, whichever you like. And with that being said, guys, this is how you turn off the notifications on Temu app. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below. And don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.